He said I only date models, but I guess you got the body. So maybe we could kill a bottle. Maybe we could do a little more. He said, baby, I'ma call ya. Well, maybe in a couple months. But once you got the follows, well, maybe then you'll get a shot. Are you cool enough for me? Are you cool? Are you cool enough for me? Are you cool? How about do you want to be cool? How low will you go now? Will you go? How low will you go? How low will you go? Will you go? Will you go now? Will you go? He said I used to fuck with this girl. She posed for American Apparel. She posed naked for Terry Richardson. She posed naked for my camera phone. Now she's in a couple movies, you know. Now she's doing all the things that you do. Baby, I can make you into a star. Baby, you don't know how lucky you are. Are you cool enough for me? Are you cool? Are you cool enough for me? Are you cool? How about do you want to be cool? How low will you go now? Will you go? How low will you go? How low will you go? Will you go? Will you Will you go now? Will you go? How low will you go? Will you go? Will you go? How low? How low will you go? Will you go? How low will you go? Will you go? Will you go?